Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. In this lesson we will be starting to learn chords. We are starting with the chord A, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm all marked up, so let's start learning. We're going to start with the chord A. For this one, you're only going to use the second fret, 1, 2. Most books will tell you to use fingers number 1, 2, and number 3. So take finger number 1, place it on the 4th string, the D string. Place finger number 2 right underneath that one, on the 3rd string, the G string. Right underneath that one, place number 3 on the 2nd string, the B string. There you have an A. I personally find it very uncomfortable playing it like that, so I use fingers number 2, number 3, and number 4. So take finger number 2, place it on the 4th string, the D string. Right underneath that one, place finger number 3 on the 3rd string, the G string. Right underneath that one, place finger number 4 on the 2nd string, the B string. There you have an A. So for this week, just keep on practicing chord A. Next week, we're going to jump in with chord D, and then we're going to start switching between chords. But for this week, just keep on practicing A. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, follow on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. See you guys next week.